Hello, my name is Ban. In this video, I will show you how to make a traditional zelnik with cheese. Before we start cooking zelnik, I want to say a few words about what a traditional dish zelnik. This section explains the history of this dish. Let's start cooking. 1 kilogram of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of oil, 400 milliliters of water. Mix. After we combine the ingredients, we put it on the table. Knead the dough. The dough should look like this. Divide it 6 smaller balls. We take one of the balls we cut and peel it with the help of a roller. Then coat the crust with margarine. Fold the crust in half. We spread the folded part with margarine and float the other side of the crust. Coat with margarine. Float the top of the crust. Coat with margarine. Float again. Coat with margarine. Repeat the same with the other balls. Let them rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, make a crust. Put the crust in the pan. Filling mixture. 300 grams of cottage cheese. Add 3 eggs. Mix. Add 150 milliliters of yogurt. Mix. Put the mixture in the pan. Spread the mixture on the crust. Place the other crust over the mixture. Fold the ends of the dough inwards. Sprinkle the dough with oil. Add small pieces of margarine. Bake at 250 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, serve with a glass of yogurt. Thanks for watching. Bye.